Microwave chocolate chip cookies recipe. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons melted butter, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon white sugar, 1/8 teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 of a teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla, 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons chocolate chips. Method: 1. In a cup, mix melted butter, brown sugar, white sugar, baking powder, salt, and vanilla. Two. Add all-purpose flour. Use the spatula to mix all the ingredients together well, spatula but don't stir too long, as this will cause the cookies to become stiff. 3. Add the chocolate chips. And stir all the ingredients just enough to combine. Then quickly stop. 4. Place the cookie dough cup in the microwave. And microwave the cookies for about 1 minute and 10 seconds using high heat. 5. Remove the cookies from the microwave. Serve this dish with ice cream. Enjoy!